Chef. Welcome to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make stuffed mushrooms. For this we're going to make this filling, but first you got to clean this mushroom, and we're going to also add this mushroom. So we got chopped scallions, celery, carrots, and jalapeno. And we're going to make two types of filling for it. For the first thing we got to do is take this thing off like this, and we're going to use that. So all this you can take it off like this for all the mushroom, and gently you got to clean it so the caps are good enough to be stuffed. You got to be careful so you don't break it, okay? So that's how it's supposed to be. Now all this stuff can be used. Same thing with this, and same way you clean all the 8 mushrooms. So we're gonna stuff these mushrooms, and you'll see you'll love this recipe. Okay, so now we cleaned all the caps, and so this is the stems. Just, you don't want to chop very fine. This will all go in some cheese, so the melted cheese will come on top. If you chop it fine, it's just gonna evaporate like water, so you want to keep it big. Okay, so because mushrooms have a lot of water in it, so it has to be cooked at high temperatures. So if you cook it at low temperatures, it's gonna keep on draining all the water out, and it'll be mushy mushroom. So here we go. So we're gonna make a nice filling with this, and then have some cheese mixed into it, and that's what we're gonna do. So you wanna chop this like this. Okay, so now this is the recipe for the stuffing. We're gonna make two types of stuffing. This is a complete vegetarian stuffing. For this, I showed you the ingredients to this: hot oil. So most of the stuffing is gonna be like crunchy stuffing, not overcooked or anything like that, just a little flavoring in it. The reason is the mushroom, the cheese and all, it's gonna go in the oven also. So all this we're gonna put, this is celery now, and let it cook a little bit. And this has to be on very high heat. I'm not adding any spices, so I'm just adding green chilies, little tomatoes, sauté this a bit. Now this will be ready, and we'll have to cool it a little bit so we can add the cheese and bake the mushroom in a pan or in the oven. Okay, so you want it a little dry. To this on high heat, we're gonna add our mushrooms. This is the caps of the mushrooms. You can add more mushrooms if you want. And to this, I'm gonna add some garlic powder to keep it dry, and some onion powder. You can put some fresh onions if you want to. So this is some onion powder. Here you go, just mix it, let it cook a little bit, and that's it, that's the filling. Okay, so this is ready. Now we're gonna add some cheese to it, let it cool a little bit, and then add some cheese to it. There you go. Okay, so now this is one of our stuffing for the stuffed mushroom. This is the same when you go to a recipe and you see the stuffing for the samosas. This is the stuffing for the samosas. To this, I'm going to add some cheese. Not too much in this here, because what is going to happen is I want this cheese to melt in the mushrooms itself, but not too much. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stuff this up here like this. Push it down all the way. And then take some cheese and keep it on top, because the cheese will melt on top and it will seal it well. So that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is our vegetable filling, which we just showed the video. Again, add some cheese to it so it dries up. And now we're going to fill this up with this filling right here. And then add some cheese on top of it. Stack the cheese up good so it melts inside it. So there it is. And do all the 4 with the same way. Okay, so now the mushrooms are all stuffed and our oven is at 300 or 400 degrees, so it's on broil. You require the oven to be really hot, and also the mushrooms. You can't cook mushrooms on low temperature, otherwise everything, all the water will come out of the mushroom. It's got a lot of water content. So for 15 minutes at this temperature, we're gonna put it in the oven and let it cook for at least 15 minutes. There we go. Topper Chef back again. This is our mushrooms. As you can see, our mushrooms are ready. It's 15 minutes. It's a very hot oven. And once you can see the water starts leaving from the mushroom, means they're cooked, okay? So this is our stuffed mushrooms, and that's how it looks. Voila, so we have four vegetarian mushrooms and 4 with meat. Voila, so our stuffed mushrooms are ready. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!